Today we're making a spicy chicken sandwich with a Latin twist, and it's going to be delicious. So if you like the food, make sure you like and subscribe so you won't miss out on any more tasty ideas in the future. Get our ring off because we're going to be dealing with some raw chicken. We have some chicken tenders here. Gonna go ahead and wash my hands, which I will have to do many times while making this sandwich, but it's worth it. Just have to moisturize afterwards. Some garlic powder on our chicken. Some dried oregano. And Chipotle chilies. These are going to give it amazing smoky chili flavor. And I'm just going to kind of blend them up in the can with a spoon so that they'll coat the chicken better. I'm only using about 3/4 of the can here, making sure I get a lot of the liquid in there. And the easiest way to do this is to just use your hands. Yes, you'll have to wash your hands again, but that's part of cooking. Make sure you get them nice and coated. Every single centimeter needs to have some chipotle on it. We'll get a little bit of salt on there. Don't want it to taste bland. And just a little bit more smokiness from that liquid smoke will help it out. This will be dark, smoky, spicy, delicious. And yes, time to wash up again. Our chicken can just rest in our fridge while we prepare the rest of the sandwich. Get a red bell pepper. Make sure you remove that sticker, because I'm going to do a little fire roasting here on the gas stove. We'll leave that there. And while that browns up, we'll chop up our green onions. We'll chop up some cilantro as well. That'll go wonderfully on this sandwich. Make sure you keep rotating your pepper to get it nice and charred on every side. A little bit easier to do with tongs. If you can get it balanced on the grate there. Get some red onion cut. And check on our pepper boy again. It's doing okay. We're gonna get some beans open. These are chorizo refried beans. They just have a little meaty flavor to them. I like it. Now our pepper's nice and charred up. It's very hot. It's basically a steam bomb when you open it up. I don't know why I didn't just wait a minute, but I guess it's because I'm impatient. Carefully chop this up. And that's going to be a ton of delicious flavor on our sandwich. You know, recipes usually say that, oh, we have one secret ingredient that you wouldn't have thought of. You know, you got to come check it out. We have like 5 here. Queso blanco. This is a nice crumbly yet moist cheese that can get a little bit melty, which will be good on our sandwich. So I'm going to crumble it up into chunks. think too often people just default to like the Northern European world of cheeses and forget that there's cheeses from other cultures as well. Now our chicken's been resting and got all that delicious flavor in it, so we can go ahead and put it in our pan, cook it over medium heat. And we have some romaine we're going to chop up. It'll be a nice little crunchy bed to our sandwich. Our chicken's looking good. Give it a flip. Make sure we cook it through. So slippery. I added a little bit of water to the pan to keep it juicy, and it made like a little sauce with all the chicken drippings. Very nice. Now we'll just chop that up into nice bite-sized pieces. I never like to put big chunks of meat on a sandwich, because then somebody bites into it and it just all falls out at the same time. You want to kind of pre-chop it up so it's actually edible and you get a little bit of every flavor in every bite. Cut open our beautiful hoagie roll. We'll start assembling our lettuce with a spread of our refried beans, our chorizo infused refried beans. Make sure to get both halves so you get all that nice beany flavor in there as a good base. Spread our fire roasted pepper. And then our red onion. I like to put all these finely chopped ingredients on the bottom so they don't fall out, even though they would look pretty on top. I'll get our chopped lettuce. And then our nice wet heavy chicken to hold all that down. This Chipotle chicken smells so good. We have some store-bought pico de gallo. Our chopped green onions, cilantro, and our crumbled queso blanco. I'm going to throw this all into the oven. It'll help crisp up the bread a little bit and get the cheese a little bit gooey. But first, put a little bit of lime zest on there. Make it taste extra fresh and delicious. It really brightens the whole sandwich up and provides a contrast to the heavy flavor of that smoky Chipotle chicken. All these flavors are really going to come together after a couple minutes in the oven. Oh, she's beautiful. She's massive. Look at that queen. This is a delicious spicy chicken sandwich full of tons of beautiful flavor and well balanced between light acidity and heavy smoky spiciness. I think you'll love it if you try it. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.